Hello. Okay, let me turn speech on. Hello, Mad Hatter here. I am at my school, NHI. We're having an open house today, and the theme is Tea Party, Alice in Wonderland. So that's why I got my little hat on and my little outfit. If y'all couldn't see it, I'm sitting down, and I just had some cookies because, oh my god, they're so bomb. Anyways, and Bernie's down here. Bernie said hi to the camera. Oh, Bernie thinks it's food, so he's disappointed now. Bernie, you don't care about the camera? Okay. Anyways, I'm about to go get some footage because, like, they set up in the main room where we're doing massages. I'm doing shiatsu today, so my table's set up, and I'm hoping to go in there and get a video before we get started. So, there I go.
Well, it's kind of kind of like coffee and color. And I'm hanging.
Yeah. Go ahead and there you go. Pose. Give a little hip hop. Give a little hip hop. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, Queen. All right. Here we go. Go ahead and grab you what's coming.
Okay. Contour, you can really make yourself look like anybody.
Okay. So now we're going into
the room. How did it get quiet? It was just crazy in here.
I know. So there's actually a couple. There's one massage right there. It just gets.
Oh, it's just.
So we have hot stones and salt scrubs. Yeah.
So wait, this is all on video, right?
Yes.
Oh, we're doing a tour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna watch some of my table.
There you go. So this right here would be the sports massage. This is the neuromuscular program table. We have the science classes over here. This is Marquita's table.
I'm doing shiatsu.
Here you go. Can I see
Where
right
is
here?
it?
Oh, back up, back up, back up. And then there, back up like 2 feet and to the left.
2 feet and to the left?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Pose again? Question mark.
I need to see if I have the right amount of holes showing.
What do you got? What's your size? What's your height?
4. Oh yeah, this set up right. What's up? What's up?
I don't know. Hey, Marquita, face me though and pose. Pop that hip, girl.
Ooh. Messing with my hair.
There
My
it is.
phone case.
Yeah, get rid of that.
I wish I had a. What does the Mad Hatter normally hold? I guess
An umbrella? Yeah.
Oh, he does have an umbrella.
Hey, what's going to the other room? There's one more room.
Oh, there's one more room.
Yeah. So there's one more room on the other side. So going through not the closet, but through the other door. We're now in Trevelle.
Yeah. In like this.
Yeah, so this is where the advanced program is. Okay, so right here we have a couple different booths. There's some boys behind you, and they are the Royal Casino Massage.
What? That's so sad.
So it's probably like Thunder
Yeah,
Valley.
not as of now, but
They
you know, like I
have
said, hey, we're
Heel-
open to any and all
Kiloa,
possibilities.
which is like heel and aloha
Yeah.
combined.
Oh,
Absolutely,
cool.
yeah.
Help the world relax.
Yeah.
So they've got
Nice
a
meeting you
couple
guys.
of those.
Thank you. Yeah, definitely.
And then one has my
Michael, definitely.
shoulder. And then we have, I'm trying, girl.
Narrator.
Yeah. And then we have 2 lovely ladies over here hustling to get more students up in here.
What is this live?
It's open house.
snap.
I'm just recording. It will be on YouTube. I
Oh,
mean,
nice.
hopefully that's cool.
Famous.
Okay.
You know me.
Yeah. All right. Good luck, ladies.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, there is balloons in here. Yeah. Good eye. Well, I'd love to have them, you know. Yes.
Awesome.
And that's gonna be hard for you because you're.
So there's like cards dangling. Be careful.
Yeah, I discovered that when I came in. So was there like a lot of people that came and set up and now they're leaving? Staying
Kind of.
Yeah. Like I said, it's like crazy how quiet. It was chaotic in here earlier.
This is. Hey, Jr. Say hi.
Hi, JR. That's the instructor. He's like, oh my god.
I know. So is that it?
Yeah.
You want just you, or you want the whole area?
Oh yeah, like this area, yeah.
All right. So we got the shiatsu mats over here.
Yeah.
And I just finished over here. We have
Yeah, okay.
the science tables. So we got the spine, we've got skulls and rotator cuffs, everything. We got hoppers going on over here with Rio. Got NNT stuff with Juan.
But it was a pleasure.
We got Marisol giving Dion a wonderful Swedish massage. Jay and E doing some sideline work. We've got our employers in here. There's Cynthia. All of the employers, financial aid, everything is in here. And we have chair massage over here. There's Adam and Michael and Marcus, Tim. There's Matt. This is the hot stone massage over here and some salt scrubs. There's Todd. And we've got food and beverages out here. And Rachel. Hey girl, hey. All this wonderful food. Welcome to our bad tea party with drink me and eat me signs everywhere. Some good stuff.
Okay, so finished the event. I'm in Lyft right now, heading home, and this needs to shut up. Okay. Yeah, so right now I'm in Lyft, and I'm heading home, and it was fun. Like, we did the open house. I had, I think, like, probably, like, 5 clients, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, I would say about 5. And, you know, it was cold back to back, so I got my little workout on, and I was sweating a little bit, so... But yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed it. It was my first event, open house, at the massage school that I attend. So I had a blast. And so Miss Mad Hatter is heading home to end the tea party and go to sleep. Well, no, I forgot I gotta help Mini-Me with her project. So she's doing an Egyptian presentation. So yeah, gotta go do that. And Bernie, he's tired. There's Bernie. Oh, Bernie. But alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you guys.